just gave you a demo, bro. What do you think of my car?
This car is tight and on point.
Yeah, y'all heard that, right? Y'all heard that from a non-competitor who tunes my own by ear. What's up, y'all? Hey, I'm back, man. That intro you saw, that was from the video that I tried to do with my boy with the Dyne Audio SQ Honda Accord, but as a lot of you have seen, those songs were blocked and YouTube blocked my video entirely, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, it's been a while since I've done a video and I wanted to give you guys one. There's no updates to the system per se. Hey, I got a new steering wheel cover, a little fancy, you know. I'm a little bit of a steering wheel snob. Believe it or not, I got it from Temu. And it actually feels pretty good. It's a little red. The red matches with the wood grain a little bit. I don't know. I kind of like it, but we'll see if it lasts. But it actually feels really great. Anyway, enough about my steering wheel cover. I did a full SQL demo about a month or so ago. And, let me turn that down a little bit. I did a full SQL demo about a month ago. And this time I'm gonna do just SQ. I'm not gonna turn the bass knob up. I'm gonna leave it down, all the way down for this video, and just play some SQ songs, you know, just a couple. You know, as far as the system goes, I did do a minor change. I know I said I was done and this was my quote unquote perfect tune. Please, disclaimer, please. You know I don't like to share my tuning and stuff like that because I don't want anybody to try to mimic it if their equipment is not the same as mine. And I'm not saying that like my gear is better than anybody's. I'm just saying our gear has different FS frequency responses, resonant frequencies and all that. And I would hate for someone who likes my sound to try to emulate it if they don't have the similar equipment. So the disclaimer is, if your gear is not similar to mine, please read the manufacturer's specs just to be certain, because I would hate for you to damage your equipment on because of me. But anyway, with that being said, my tweeters and my mids, if you guys recall, well, my whole frequency spectrum from back to front was, the sub was 20 to 80 hertz, the mid bass in the doors was 80 hertz to 250, the mid-range in the dash was 250 to 2700, and then the tweeters were 2700 to 20,000 hertz. Well, I changed the mid in the dash and the tweeters and brought them down just a little bit lower to get a little bit of a warmer sound. I don't know if it'll translate through the video, but for me, I can hear it. So now my mids in the dash are from 250 to 2500 hertz as opposed to 2700, and then my tweeters are 2500 hertz up to 20,000. There's a lot of tweeters on the market that don't play as low as 2500 hertz. And if your tweeters can't do that, I would hate for you to try to do that. A lot of tweeters are better crossed over at 3200 hertz, 3500 hertz, sometimes 4000 hertz, which is still a good tweeter range, but I wanted a warmer sound. So that's why I went with 2500 hertz on these Morel Elate Carbon Alto or Alto tweeters. And one more thing before we play music, you know, I use an external recorder. I'm in the passenger seat right now, and I have my external recorder in the driver's seat in the position where it is when I normally record my videos. Some of you have said that, of course, that you like the sound, of course, because it sounds better than my phone, which is absolute trash, and my camcorder that I'm using. I don't know if you can see it in the rear view, but yeah, the microphones built into these devices is absolute trash, and I try to give the best sound possible. And some of you have said you like how when I pan across the dash in some of my videos that the sound doesn't change. Well, that's because I sync the sound from this recorder with the microphone. But I want you guys to know that I'm not playing the song and just dubbing it over my videos. This is real. Like I'm touching the mic. Hopefully, I'm sure it's picking up, but I want you to hear that, to know that I'm not faking the sound that's coming from my system. Not that you guys thought I was faking it, but I just want to be clear, you know, like I am using an external recorder. So anyway, enough of me yip yapping. Let's get to the music and stuff, right? So I'm just gonna play a couple of songs that I think sound pretty good. Hopefully you agree, and we'll see. All right, let's do it.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I'll lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I'll lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like I feel like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I could do it on my own, but I want that real full moon black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I'll lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I'll lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, if while listening, please listen with over-the-ear headphones or IEMs. If you have quality IEMs I have are okay. I prefer over-the-ear headphones, but I mean, you know better than I would when it comes to that, I would imagine. But I would hope you listen with that. That way you can get the best effect that I'm trying to share with you guys. And also, that light right there and that switch, that's for my fans in the back. I think you can hear them. You know, it gets hot in Vegas. It's only 100 right now, but there's times where it gets up to like 118 here. Got to keep my amps cool. But yeah, listen with over-the-ear headphones if you can. It does make a difference. Let's see. Here's another one I like.
I apologize, my emotions are high. Hard to explain when you feel your world's on fire. Close my eyes to all the things that hurt my nature. I apologize, but I'm tired of holding my head up. I'm tired of trying to hold on to you. This cycle, fighting and making up. I'm tired of trying to hold on. Everything is falling apart, slipping away. There's no rewinding the things we say. Everything is falling apart, slipping away. No way to fight it. I'll fade away. Fade away. I'll fade away. Fade away. I'll fade.
classic I used to like back in the day. I thought it was cool, didn't appreciate it as much back then as I do now. Is it because I like the song more, or is it because of these speakers? I don't know, but I like Beyonce's part. Sounds really good to me. So we'll skip to that. Oops.
Everybody sing, oh, 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 yeah. Everybody singing, oh, yeah. Now if you're ever wondering about the way I'm feeling, well, baby boy, there ain't no question. Around you is a blessing. Sick and tired of trying to save the world. I just wanna spend my time being your girl. And what you give me lets me know that we'll be alright. All I had this life, that would be enough. Till the end of time, till the end of time. Rest your weary heart and relax your mind. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Boy, you got me saying, oh, 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 yeah. You got me saying, oh.
Oh, and while I look for another song, I got me a new aux cable, man. You know, some of you guys know by watching my videos, I go from my field player to my head unit via 3.5 millimeter aux cable, and then from the head unit, RCA's back to my DSP. The reason why I do it that way is because I still listen to AM/FM radio, and if I went strictly coax through there, I have my rear fill powered off my head unit. If I went coax through there, I would lose my RCA connectivity to send the signal to my speakers from my radio when I'm listening to AM/FM and all that jazz. So it just wasn't worth it. Does it sound better going coax? Yes, it does. Is it night and day? No, not to my ears. I've heard it in a lot of, I go to SQ shows. I don't compete, but I go to SQ shows, and I've heard it through coax, and it definitely sounds good, sounds sweet, sounds better. It does. I'm not going to act like it doesn't just because I don't use it. But it's not like, oh crap, I'm killing myself by not going coax. So that's why I do it. Man, let's try some Prince, man. Let's try this. Oops. You notice right there for this Prince song, this recording, it's kind of low. And I've mentioned that in other videos, how it sucks when, you build your dream system and some songs that you like to hear, they're recorded fairly low, so you have to turn it up. I have my field player up, and the average volume that I listen on my head unit is 33, maybe 34 out of 40 to avoid clipping and all that stuff. But I also have it set at 33 or 34 as my max volume, because of recordings like this that are low. It still gives me some room to go up to increase the volume and hopefully not clip the signal, which it didn't do this time. But that's why I do that, to have a little bit of headroom, just in case. But that's what I was talking about, when some songs, they're recorded low, and it's like, what can you do, But, well, what you can do is is turn the head unit volume up. Matter of fact, here's another one. This song sounds so sweet to me, but it's recorded terribly low, so I have to turn my head unit all the way up. See, it's too low right now. That's max volume on my head unit, max here. Of course, I can get more out of it if I turn my DSP controller up, but I'm definitely not going to do that. But I want you to hear this, man. It sounds so good to me.
Are you feeling down and lonely? Feeling like you can't go on? Just remember, love will find a way. Tell me, are you going through changes? Time seems like it's passing by. Just believe that love will find a way. I see the tears.
It sounds good, but it's low.
I see the pain that's in.
Just keep in mind, if you do have yours set up similarly to mine, where your max volume is 30 and you can go all the way up to 40, or 33 up to 40, just remember to turn it down for the next song, because if the next song is recorded right, you don't want it to blast and potentially blow your speakers because you have your head unit at absolute max volume. That would be terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So, here's another one that sounds good here.
Yes, this is the ghetto. Yeah, baby. Don't you know it's alright? Oh yeah. Hey. The ghetto. The ghetto. Yeah. The ghetto. Talking about the ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto. Talking about the ghetto. The ghetto. Talking about the ghetto. Yeah.
I'll give you guys a couple more songs, won't keep you too long. Give you a couple more, hopefully you're enjoying this. Some more old school or classics.
me and my be rolling, waiting on you and your honey. The very first day of summer, all grown out in a Hummer, babe. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
You know what's up.
I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. Know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up. Tell me what's up, baby. Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the you tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy, you know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy, don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He's sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it, yeah, she put it down slowly. Oh, we know, he left his kids at home. We know, so he can get that. Mommy, don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy.
Man, the clock on this Theo player is way off. Jeez, does that a lot, man. Let me fix that really quick, man. System, date and time. Man, getting so good at this because I've done it so many times. That sucks. What is it? 10:41 at the time of this recording. My goodness. All right. Now we're back in the game. I use Tidal, in case anybody's wondering. All my recordings or all my downloads and stuff, all through Tidal. Charlie Puth. Let's go with Charlie. I like Selena Gomez first.
What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes, if she's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I would overdose. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame
But we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
There's another Charlie Puth song that I like. I tend to like the female collaboration, the female singer's parts better. Not hating on Charlie, man. The dude sings good, but yeah, I like the way the women sing in his songs a little better. Like this one here. Let's see. All right.
For you, baby, only you, baby. Things I do, baby. But tell me what you've done for me.
I never cheated, deleted everyone 'cause they
couple more songs, then we are out of here, man. Let's see. Where do I want to go?
Give me a
Light skin, dark skin, my Asian persuasion. I got this all. That's why these girls ask me because I'm sexy. Do you like my style? Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. Like I walk it down. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. You can work me out. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. Let me show you how. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. So here's a demonstration. A beat show tonight. My body's an exhibition, babe. Though it's on display, don't be scared to touch it. It's hands on, so come with it, babe. Drum me like a guitar. Now I might amplify it. When you hear some feedback, keep going, take it higher. Crank it up, give it to me, come on. Crank it up, give it to me, come on. I'm gonna feedback, 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 feedback. Crank it up, give it to me, come on. Crank it up, give it to me, come on. I'm gonna feedback, 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 feedback. Light skin, dark skin, my Asian persuasion.
All right, you guys. I hope you like that demo. Yeah, man. I slept on Janet. You know, I mean, I liked her. I was a fan. You know, the Michael Jackson, Janet Jackson era back in the late '90s, early 2000s, and all that stuff. But I wasn't really feeling her or digging her like I am now. Maybe it's because of the speakers. Maybe it's because of Tidal, the recordings, and all that stuff. But two quick things before I end this video officially. For anybody new to the channel and wondering why I have my recorder here, is because it is a one seat or driver's tune. What that means is all the sound, or the majority of the sound, the lead vocalist is here. There's no center speaker. This is just a factory cutout, and what I have in here is my microphone for my Bluetooth if I'm making a phone call. Otherwise, it's not a speaker in there, but the lead singer, like Janet, would sound like she's here, and the chorus and instruments will be spread across the dash wherever they belong. So I put the microphone in the driver's seat to emulate what I would hear, or what you would hear if you were sitting in my driver's seat. Everything's there. This side is a little bit louder, and it's not as directly focused as that side. I mostly hear this side when I'm sitting in the passenger seat. The driver gets some of that side, center singer some of this side, and it's just perfectly balanced like that. It's all good. It actually works out very well for anybody new to the channel who's unfamiliar with time alignment. Also, did you guys notice a difference? Is it a little bit warmer to you guys by me going down to 2500 hertz as opposed to being at 2700 hertz? I know it's only a 200 hertz difference, but those 200 hertz can actually make a difference. It sounds different to me. It sounds warmer to me. I don't know. Is it me? What do they call it? Psychoacoustics, where I want to believe that it sounds better, whether it is or not, or is it actually better? You guys let me know. I think it sounds better. And yeah, that new what is it? This new aux cable. I think it makes a difference, man. It gives me a little bit more control. The mid bass is a little bit more solid. The highs are a little more tame. Not night and day, but sounds better to me. But like I said, it could be some psychoacoustics. Who knows? Who knows? But anyway, I hope you guys like the demo. Hope you guys listen with your headphones on, or even quality earbuds. Either way, I hope you guys listened and got to hear what I wanted you to hear, which is the best possible sound I could do via car. You know, I mean, via YouTube video and all that stuff. But anyway, until next time. Oh yeah, and I hope you like my new fancy steering wheel. Is it too red? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But anyway, until next time, thank you guys for listening. Stay tuned.